Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss what are the consequences of onboarding pass if it's not generated before your joining date. If you are new to this channel then please support us and subscribe this channel. We are regularly give update on your candidature of Cognizant and other multinational companies. Many students are facing this issue and they are facing about the queries like what is onboarding pass, when and how onboarding pass is generated, what are the reasons about the onboarding pass is not generated, will you lose your job opportunity in Cognizant, will you get another second date of joining, what is the timeline to get the second date of joining, and what is the process to get the second date of joining. So we will discuss all the queries one by one in this video. If you don't have onboarding pass, then you will not lose opportunity to join Cognizant. Onboarding pass is mandatory to get entry in the campus, so without it you would not get entry in the campus. Onboarding pass is get generated before 3 days of your joining. Onboarding pass is mandatory to join on the first day. Without it, you could not join on your first day. You can download and view your onboarding pass on one Cognizant portal, but to generate your pass, you will be able to download pass only if your background verification is complete. Now let's discuss what are the reasons because of your onboarding pass is not generated. There will be some name mismatch on your documents. Make sure that you have correct spelling mistake. Make sure that you have correct spelling mistake on your PAN card and other documents. If not, then please update the details before background verification completion date. You must complete your BGV details and pre-joining formalities before 4 to 5 days of joining, because before 3 days of your joining you will get your onboarding pass. If you don't complete your BGV, then portal will get failed to generate your pass. Many times it happens like student complete all the background verification details and pre-joining formalities, but also there is no mistake from candidature, but still because of the portal issue and the server issue you may face delay in generating the onboarding pass. Does it means rejection? So not. For sure you will get another chance to join Cognizant, but the timeline for getting second DOJ is not fixed. It may vary. What will happen if you miss joining on first day? As per the requirement, you need a pass to join on the first day. So this is the first reason, and after 1 or 2 days you will receive mail from Cognizant about the absence on joining on the first day. So don't get panic. Missing your date of joining is not like losing job for sure. You will get another second date of joining. If you are in confusion about the process of second date of joining, then don't worry. You just have to wait and have patience. You must complete all the documents as per the instruction of company on the portal. Once they demand, and after this your date of joining will automatically get updated on the one Cognizant portal. Talking about the timeline of the second date of joining, let's take a real example, that is of mine case. I had a first date of joining on the 10 February 2026, but due to the name mismatch issue of PAN card and 10th mark sheet, I had missed my first date of joining. And again on the 25th March 2026, I received updated offer letter and updated date of joining. So my new date of joining is now 7 July. Now what you should do in your free times, and these are the things to keep in mind while filling the background verification, so you will not get any difficulty in generating the onboarding pass. Make sure that you have entered all details correctly. There is no mismatch in name. Make sure that you have one name, that is your full name, and there is no mistake in your all name on the all other documents. Keep scan copy with you of all the documents. If you are filling the details, then cross check all the details are entered correctly. What you should do next if your onboarding pass is not generated? So you generally have the free time, and in that free time keep upskilling yourself, and frequently after weeks try to raise queries, so they will give you the onboarding pass and date of joinings. If you raise queries, then they will give you the answer like you will get date of joining as per the requirements, because once they have the project, then and then only they will hire you and give the date of joinings. Don't depend on one the Cognizant only. If you have other opportunities, then try applying for other companies. So subscribe this channel for more updates and join the Telegram group. For this group, you will get the link in the about section of this channel.